pretty windy. This is our first snowfall of the year. Lake effect snow. But anyhow, I'm just gonna do some walking and stopping every 10 or 15 feet. And then using the binoculars and definitely be checking under these low-lying hemlock limbs where they be bedded down. Whoops. That isn't gonna help. There's that. Sorry. Wow. One thing I can guarantee that we won't see is another person on a Sunday. Hunting season, bear season right now, but you can't hunt on Sundays here in PA. Dang, wind is picking up. I think I should probably have myself drug tested. I think I missed maybe 2 or 3 days out of the entire season. And a week later I'm out in a snowstorm with my camera. I know, that's why I didn't end up shooting anything this year, is because I'm afraid that if I kill anything, then I have no reason to go out. Nothing to film. Because I like the filming just as much. Maybe I like it even more than hunting or killing. Oh, shoot. Run! Whew. Oh, man. See, I guess I'm not the only one out here. 2 chickadees back there. One thing about it, the bear hunters are gonna be, they're just loving this. This is gonna be great for them tomorrow. I gotta take off work and go get my bear license. There's a few of them there. I couldn't get any good. I need to turn off my autofocus. That's all those turkey tracks. Good news. Those turkeys walked right in front of my trail camera. Yeah, it'll be alright. These limbs are hanging a little bit low with all this snow on them. %on the battery. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, on up the creek to the next camera. Well, we'll see if there was anything on this one or not. Alright, that was my third camera there. I just checked. And back to the truck. Alright, well, I made it back to the truck. I'm a starving Marvin. And didn't get much footage, but whatever. What else are you gonna do on a day like this besides sit in the house and do nothing? So here it is. Good luck if you're a bear hunter. See ya.